Continuing with the Awards of Excellence, the Maintenance Program honors projects that exemplify the most skilled work in the grounds maintenance sector. Non-turf maintenance, Award of Excellence to Yorkshire Garden Services, Inc. for Old Richmond Hill property. Private residential maintenance under 1,500 square feet, Award of Excellence to Boffo Landscaping, Inc. for Clearview Heights. Private residential maintenance, 1,500 square feet to 1 acre. Awards of Excellence to Cypress Gardeners, Inc. for the Boutilier residence. Cypress Gardens, Inc. for Horwood residents. Snider Turf and Landscape Care for Urban Retreat. Private residential maintenance, 1 acre or more. Award of Excellence to Landscape Plus Limited for Rural Relaxation. Let's welcome all the winners from the 2018 maintenance program to the stage. Could I also have Empire Green Lawn Sprinklers and DJ Rain? Please come on up. We understand the ghosts have entered the building. Here's the other. Run, run. Come on up. It's your moment. Give him a hand, you made it.